affection took the best of me. Deep inside, the absent mind, denial and hypocrisy, all in the same. To do this right, we part our ways. My destination, my mission, my intuition, so close I feel it changing me. Suddenly I know I have to let it go. All has been lost, all has been won. Now I see it all.